Every bar of white chocolate begins with carefully selected dairy and premium ingredients.
Maintaining freshness during transport preserves the ingredients' highest quality. Every shipment undergoes careful inspection before production begins. Proper storage protects every ingredient before manufacturing starts. Measurements ensure every batch begins with perfect balance. The transformation into smooth white chocolate begins with controlled industrial mixing. Rollers create the silky texture expected from premium white chocolate.
Freshly blended mixture travels carefully toward precision refining.
Refined layer advances toward the stage that perfects flavor and texture.
Feeding prepares the chocolate for extended refinement.
Conching unlocks the rich, creamy character of premium white chocolate.
Its texture perfected, the white chocolate moves toward precision tempering.
Temperature control creates the stable crystal structure behind every perfect white chocolate bar. Every mold receives an identical amount of perfectly tempered white chocolate. Vibration ensures every bar forms with a flawless surface.
Controlled cooling allows the chocolate to harden with perfect consistency.
After cooling, every bar is ready for its first quality inspection. Finished bars emerge, ready for the next stage of refinement. Molded bars begin their journey through precision finishing. Even the smallest particles are removed before inspection begins. Imaging ensures every bar meets strict visual standards. Flawless bars continue to the next stage of production. Every edge is refined to achieve a clean and consistent finish. Approved bar is now ready for the factory's high-speed automated production systems.
Automation adds the final decorative touch with perfect consistency.
Robotic precision keeps production fast, accurate, and perfectly organized. Controlled cooling locks every detail into a flawless finish. Every bar is precisely positioned before protective wrapping begins. Wrapping preserves freshness from factory to customer. Perfectly wrapped bar advances toward final packaging with complete traceability. Precision packaging begins with perfectly formed cartons.
It places every white chocolate bar with flawless precision.
Sealed package protects the freshness inside. Every package receives a unique identity for complete product traceability. Cartons become organized shipments ready for distribution. The finished shipment now enters the final stages of automated logistics. Robotic precision builds stable pallets for safe transportation.
Wrapping keeps every shipment secure throughout its journey.
Every shipment is digitally tracked from production to delivery. Smart warehouses organize every shipment with remarkable efficiency. Automation prepares every white chocolate shipment for safe transport. Loading protects every white chocolate shipment during transportation. Shipment is secured to preserve quality from factory to destination. From careful ingredients to flawless logistics, every step is driven by precision. And every white chocolate bar stands an entire world of modern manufacturing. Every batch of white chocolate must pass strict laboratory standards before release. Advanced imaging confirms the flawless appearance of every white chocolate bar.
Accurate weight ensures every white chocolate bar meets exact production standards.
Controlled analysis confirms the signature melting quality of white chocolate.
Only after passing every quality test is white chocolate approved for customers worldwide.
With final approval complete, every white chocolate shipment begins its final journey. Controlled transport conditions protect the freshness of every white chocolate bar. Carefully selected ingredients to global distribution, precision defines every step.
The journey continues beyond the factory, carrying quality to customers everywhere.
This is how modern factories produce white chocolate from start to finish.